Hello everyone, welcome to our my channel Polished Advance. Sisters in Sharon lives in a Holland and share a love of everything that shines, glitters, sparkling, and fakey, vamply colors, especially when it is nail polish. The sisters published their blog in both Toast and English, and enjoy vectors from all over the world, which they tracks with a fake vlogs country. Nailing it. The switches are first rate and a future glossaries manicure on a lovely nails. The blog is fused on the topic and ahead. Namely nail polish colors giveaway featuring fabulous product keep flowers coming back. Preposterously nails blog sole contributor Jasmine like pretty thing and shared them with her flowers. On properly nail blog polished advance. Properly nail blog deliver the most important thing a polished blogs can offer. Switches. The set is bright and early and don't feel by at all. It's a simplistic laid out enable vectors to consider on the manicure without direction of searching engine aids and a random text. Nailing it. Josmia's posts are pretty regular, appearing about once a week. Tag categories and a link make it easy for flowers to find the product and need to achieve. Properly nails blocks looks are first